Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a stunning splash poster design in Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and create a new project. Go to Elements and search for Paint Splash. Switch to the Graphics tab and select a splash design. Rotate it slightly, increase the size, place it in the center, and change the color to black. Next, return to Elements and search for Curve Brush. Select a brush graphic, change the color to white, increase the size, and position it across the middle to add contrast. Now go to Text and add your title text. Change the font to a bold style that fits the design. Open Effects and select Curve, then adjust the curve until the text flows naturally across the splash. Increase the text size and align it properly. Once finished, download this page as a PNG file. After downloading, select all elements on the canvas and delete them. Upload the saved image and also upload the image you want to use as the background. Make sure both images have the same resolution. Go to Apps and search for Blend Image. Set the splash design as the top layer and the background image as the bottom layer. Choose Screen as the blend mode and add it to the design. Resize if needed to complete the layout. So that's basically how you can create a stunning splash poster design in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.